Hi, in this video we are going to see that how we can export symbol spreadsheet. That means any information about PCB footprint that is available in your PCB layout. So for it, just go to for file, export symbol spreadsheet. You can see that component is already selected, so you don't need to select anything. Now just select the component which you want to export. I mean the symbol spreadsheet you want to export. Just click here. So here you can see that the name you can select xml.txt or xcv format. So I'm selecting csv format. So you can add or you can remove. So I'm just selecting pin number. Since for this pin number is only important, click OK. So here you can see that the spreadsheet is ready. If you want to export symbol spreadsheet of other parts, so just click other parts also. So here U5 spreadsheet, you want to add pin name, you can add. You want to add any other information, you can add also. So just click OK. Once you are done, after creating the parts spreadsheet, symbol spreadsheet, just right click and select done. So all the parts here created, you can see that spreadsheet you can utilize in creating symbol, schematic symbol, or anywhere you want to utilize.